Welcome to Mac Helpers. In this video, we're going to go over how to do a presentation or how to present your project with Keynote. So go ahead and open up Keynote here. Go ahead and click on the presentation. And so when you're first looking at it, to do your presentation, you're going to want to click the plus or the little top right next to the question mark, the little rounded rectangle with the play button. Now as I click that, what you see on the video here is actually this is what the presentation looks like. So you lose all the controls, but what I'm going to show you here is some screenshots of what the actual screen looks like for you to do the actual presentation. So this is the first image. So when you've got a couple different options. So I'm going to first show you on the top right here, not the X because that takes you out of it, but when you click on this little icon up here, it gives you the layout options. So you get your current and notes, which looks like this, which is just in portrait mode with the slide on top with your notes below it. Then you've got your current, which is the actual slide you're on at this point in time. Then you've got the next one, which is, so even though it's presenting the previous slide, it's going to automatically, so you can kind of queue up and get ready to present whatever is going to be on the next slide. The next one is current and next, so that means it's going to be on the left-hand side is the current slide you're on, and then it's going to have the second slide. And then the third, or the last one, the fifth option, is current and notes. So on the left-hand side is the current slide you're on, and then it's got your notes for whatever presentation or whatever for that specific slide. And then, so the next one is, what I want to show you is the current. So you can use what's called they're kind of like a presenter tools. And so what happens is it gives you a laser pointer option, and it also gives you 7 different pen color options. So here is the laser pointer selected, and you can go on here and you can actually draw on the screen without actually using a laser pointer, just using your finger and touching the screen. Then you got your bunch of different options for pen colors. And so if you don't want it, then you hit this little icon here on the bottom right, the little kind of jump back or the rewind looking button. And then you can go through and just be like notes. Or you can underline something like this is important. Whatever you need to do, it makes it pretty easy. And then to scan through the different slides, you just slide from the right to left. And then it will naturally do a build out for you. And then the only difference you'll notice though is when you're actually presenting the slide itself, on your iPad or your iPhone, when you're presenting it on another screen, it's not going to show you the animations. It's going to just give you a little red square in the top left that just shows that there's a build that's happening, an actual transition or an animation's happening on the screen. And then once it's ready to go again, then it will turn back to a green dot. And that's basically it for presenting your presentation using an iMac, and the same goes for using an iPad when you're on another screen, or using the iPhone to present on your iPad, and vice versa. There's a lot of different options. So you can even use your iPad to present it on your iPhone. I don't know why you do that, but you could technically do that. So if you have any questions, make sure to email us at info@yourmachelpers.com, or go to our website, yourmachelpers.com, and hit the Help tab. Or if you're interested in learning more about Keynote, check out our book, App Your Way to Keynote, on the bookstore, and make sure to leave some comments below. Thanks.